Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the WP or WordPress backend or dashboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove any plugins that might be installed because of my hosting provider. So I will just deactivate because this is how you are going to get it. So I will just delete this plugin so you don't see any fluff, any caching, anything. So these are the default options. And because I installed a certain version, a certain theme might be installed. So I'm going to look at my website in a new tab. And this is my website looks. And you can see not much is going on there. It's like a blog style website. So we'll see what is controlling all these options, and in the future videos we are going to install the premium Avada theme that we are going to work with for the rest of this course. So just giving you a quick tour about the dashboard. I'm just going to click on the dashboard, and here you see all the updates that will become available. You'll see an orange bubble here that you will see in one of the future videos. Quick pause. I hope you're enjoying my videos about professional web design using the Avada theme. Actually, these videos are a part of a very detailed video course that I created for Udemy. So if you would like to explore these topics in more detail and ask questions, check out my course on Udemy. The link with the discount coupon is in the description of the video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that because a lot more content is coming your way. Let's get back to the video that we do. And if anytime the orange bubble comes on, you want to pay some attention to that and install the updates that are available. Next option is post, and the post is WordPress is actually a blogging platform where you can write post and create a blog. And here you can manage all your posts. So you can create new posts, you can add categories, you can add tags that you will attach with your post, and we'll go into detail on how to create posts and shortcuts and how to develop layouts that involve blog posts. But in a nutshell, that's what it is. The next option is the media, where you will upload all the files that you will use in your WordPress website, like images, videos, PDF files, Word files, any media files, MP4 files that you want to use on your design. So that is a very important thing, and we'll talk more about it once we need it. Pages are static pages on your site. For the most part, you can use them for information purposes, like a home page, about me page, contact us page, and other pages like that. Comments are what people post to your in response to your post. So there is just one sample available. We don't need it, so we can just delete it. Appearance is where the themes are. So I'll click on the appearance, and you can see that there are themes that are installed. Now, this theme is the active theme on my website, and it controls how my front page and blog posts and headings and styles look. So it's a super important theme it's a super important component of your WordPress website. For the rest of this course, we are going to use the premium theme Avada, so we don't have to worry about this. In the next coming videos, I will show you how you can install the Avada theme and purchase it because it's a premium theme. And then you have options. Customize options will be different for every theme, so I'm not gonna click on that because it will change later, and we'll explore the Avada customize menu. Widgets are the widgetized areas that your theme supports. So there are areas where you can use the WordPress widgets, drag and drop them into sidebars, footers, and places like that. Menus are what controls the menu on your WordPress site. So there are areas like if you want to put options here, like a home, about me, search, whatever, you can assign different menus to different theme areas. Again, an area that we'll heavily explore when we are done with the theme install. Background, it's just the static background image and stuff like that that you can do with this theme. Again, this is gonna change once you change the theme, so not gonna explore too much. That theme editor is where you can change the code if you'd like for the theme and keep it customized. But again, because you'll be using Avada theme, this is not something that we would be doing. And anyway, a good practice to modify this theme is a child theme, which is too advanced for this discussion, so I'm gonna leave it, and that might be some other video. Plugins are a very important component of your WordPress website because they enable you to use third-party functionality on your site, like membership or e-commerce or anything that you can think of. So you have a huge repository of plugins that is available to you, and you can install software from it onto your site for free. That is the WordPress.org repo. And there is also a lot of third-party paid plugins that you can use. Users are the users of your site. So here you can see the user that I added when I was creating my install. You can also add new users with the username, password, and the email address. You can also look at your profile and change the detail like your first name, last name, because your blog post can display all that data. Tools, the default WordPress tools, you can see available tools: import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data. So those are the options that are available to you. Settings are just the WordPress settings menu, and the important one is like this is a very important menu where you can control the URLs that your site will have, the site title, tagline. These things I don't recommend them changing unless you want to migrate it, because they can break your WordPress install. So you cannot just change them. You'll have to have the files in the right location for them to work properly. So that's a slightly more advanced concept. But also you have discussion settings here where you can control the comment settings and turn on or off who can comment on your blogs and stuff like that. And also permalinks is the link structure of your site. So right now your post name is selected, and I do recommend using post names for your permalinks. It's a good structure and it's optimized for search engines. A lot of times they are plain, and if they are plain, I would recommend changing them to post names. So those are the default settings, but if you install more plugins, more settings, this dashboard might look slightly different once you install the theme, and as you will see, more options will appear about the sliders and about different things that you will see and will explore. So these are the default WordPress options, and this was a quick tour and overview about what each option does. If you have any question, please feel free to leave the question in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.